What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lowpes. And it's
What's up?
So this is a quick little video. It's how to install LED lights within the car, the dome light and the map lights. So we're gonna show you how we do that, and this is gonna be a quick tip. All right. So we're going to remove this here, the map lights. It's pretty easy to do. You got a flathead, or there's an actual tool for it, but we got a very skinny flathead, and all you have to do is literally pry it out. And there you go. Right down the center of it, you're gonna have a little gap, and there you go, boom. And it comes out just like that. Perfect. Well done. Then a white.
Then you take the bulb.
The peanut bulb out, and just pull her out, and let's hope we bought the right ones, or this video is not going to work out very well.
We got the right ones.
And then you're gonna push it in. And if it doesn't work the first time, you're gonna flip it around. So let's flip it around. You have a 50-50 shot of making it work. Boom. So what a difference. It's daytime now, and you can even tell a difference. At night, it just looks so much better within the interior of the car. Trust me, you'll love it. Do it, it's a cheap mod. And once again, you're just gonna pull it out.
Oh, that one gets hot quick.
You're gonna pull it out and you're gonna stick in the other one. If it doesn't work the first time, flip it around. You have a 50-50 shot. It's almost like one of those USBs.
And my luck sucks, so that's why I don't go to casino.
Yeah, we tried doing that with $100 once. It didn't work out very well. There you go.
There you go.
And now how to reinstall the plastic. Wow, this beeping is really annoying, huh? Jesus, sorry guys. I just realized the beeping was in the back.
And to reinstall it, you just
push it in.
Clip it in.
That's it. Then it'll. Boom.
Done deal.
Done real dealers. Ooh, you know it'd be good if we did the red underneath the wheel wells one day.
Or the red underneath the wheel wells.
Well, not wheel wells. Oh, foot wells.
Oh.
No, I want to put red in my wheel wells. It's JDM, bro.
You don't have fucking red now?
I don't think so. This is a nice shot. Yeah, so look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we're gonna do the rear dome now. Let's go. So for the dome, it's essentially all the same thing. You're gonna pry her out and then put...
It should be a little notch, which I believe it's right here.
Yeah, you're gonna have two notches. You're gonna have one here and one where Alex is. It's gonna allow you, you're gonna see it's a bit darker. You're gonna see where it is. It's gonna allow you to put the screwdriver in, use a flathead, a very, very small one, and boom. And then the peanut bulb. And then 50-50 shot, does he got it?
No.
Does he have it?
No, I don't.
That's a real question. I believe you do this time. I'm gonna go with your luck. Third time's a charm. And there you go, you just clip it in. Oh shit.
What did I tell you?
Your luck sucks, my friend.
What did I fucking tell you?
And?
Fail.
3 for 3, failure. You sucks.
Yeah, I did.
And to just put it back in, once again, you just basically clip it back in. Very, very simple install, guys. This is an under 5-minute install. So another quick tip video, an under 5-minute, maybe 6-minute video, who knows. Oh, look at the sun, it's so beautiful. Just get focused. So another quick tip, 5 minutes. It was a nice little video for you guys. I'm just throwing all these videos out. I know it's short, but it's better than nothing, right? Right? Right?
Right.
Right? Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. If it helped, leave a like, subscribe, comment. Peace out.
Do it once, do it right.
Peace.